Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before racing, I wanted to make sure that the Mini Z was properly prepped up. After unboxing, I disassembled the chassis to clean out the motor and bearings before re-lubricating with bearing oil. The motor was also broken in with a small battery box for 5 minutes in each direction. The stock tires were swapped to PN firm slicks in the front and Marka V10s in the back. No other upgrades or changes were made, not even the Kingpin Flip, because I wanted to keep this as close to box stock as possible. With the transmitter, I took the Mini Z out of training mode and adjusted the steering trim and dual race to my preference. All in all, I think I'm pretty pleased with how the Mercedes-AMG GT3 body handled on the MR-03 chassis on the RCP Track. So I think this is now ready for a true box stock class race.